Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you this red unit that I got from this hair store from Amazon. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to pronounce it. So, it's a Lacefront unit, and it's like, I don't know the inches on the closure, but I know it's a Lacefront. Yeah, that's the company it came from. So first things first, I'm gonna try to pluck this wig. I'm not a good plucker, so whatever y'all see, y'all gonna get. And y'all, basically, I'm just doing what I done seen people do when they pluck a wig, and now I'm finna style it.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? You can have it, place on
Y'all, I had wanted 2 braids on the side, but I can't braid, so I just did 2 twists because braiding was taking me too long, and then like the hair, it was too soft for me to like braid, and I already can't braid, so it took me at least like 30 minutes to try to braid. Then I realized I can't braid it, so I twisted it, and then y'all see what it look like. And now I'm just doing. Y'all don't need me to talk through this install because it's the same thing over and over again. So just enjoy the video.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? You can have it, place
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water glass. See cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bagging money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, if you run off with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to military. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get 5 face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a biting down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cabin. Like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna ride all night.
work it in the middle.
I wanna
Work it in the middle. Work it in the middle.
broken up. You know the feelings deep inside, so why?